I was able to make some more progress on my steam engine the last couple of weeks, so I took this little movie so you can see how it works. I have the cylinder removed so you can see the piston at right, and when I rotate the flywheel you can see the drive mechanism driving the piston back and forth. And you can also see the valve cam up here at the top. That's not hooked up yet. And just so you can see how it looks more or less when it's all done, I can put the cylinder on so you can see how the whole engine looks. And here's the steam chest facing away from us, and inside of that you can see the steam valve that will be going back and forth once I get the valve linkage hooked up. And you can see from my hand about the relative size of the engine.